A very warm good evening and hearty welcome to one and all. Luminous Gala 2023 at Divya Jyoti Convent School has just started with a vibrant display of our school band escorted our highly esteemed guests to their respective places.
Going by our theme of Luminous Gala this year, I would like to quote that embrace the brilliance, dance in the glow, Luminous Gala, where every moment sparkles with the magic of togetherness and the radiance of shared dreams.
Yes, we Divya Jyotians are entering into that awaited moment of our cherished dreams, that is the annual day celebration of our school. We are sure that you are excited because soon you will discover how different this evening is as we unfold the colors of our cultural fest.
Ladies and gentlemen, we dedicate this evening with jaw-dropping performances from classical dance to yogic postures to funny skits. We have a colorful amalgam of programs because you have come to Divya Jyoti School, living the comfort of your homes to be a part of us. At the outset of this evening, first of all, we would have lamp lighting ceremony. This world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization.
Now I request all much ado, welcome you to the Luminous Gala 2023. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the dazzling spectacle of Divya Jyoti Convent School's annual function, the Luminous Gala.
To begin our evening on a soulful note, let's delve into a serene and divine act. I request you all to join us in welcoming a group of graceful performers who will showcase their devotion through the art of prayer. This prayer dance is a tribute to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, the heavenly patron of our school.
In the hustle and bustle of our lives, it's essential to pause and connect with the spiritual realm.
So, without further delay, let the ethereal beauty of the prayer dance fill this campus with serenity. Let the rhythmical movements transport you to a place of peace and devotion.
এটা লাইভ চলছে बहुत अच्छी है লাইটটা জ্বলছে না
Jonu tak जिसने रचा ये संसार, जिसने रचा ये संसार, हर पल उसका करो अभिनंदन। जिसने रचा ये संसार, हर पल उसका करो अभिनंदन। उसको नमन करूं मैं, उसका भजन करूं मैं। उसको नमन करूं मैं, उसका भजन करूं मैं। जिसने रचा ये संसार, वो सबका आधार।
Divine start to our luminous gala. Thank you, friends, for making us feel the divine presence of God. On this auspicious occasion of our much awaited annual function, to welcome the dignitaries of today's program, I would like to call our little stars, Master Sai Swastik Nayak and Miss Anuspandana Mohanta, for the welcome speech.
Revered dignitaries and cherished members of vibrant Tibetan family, good evening to one and all. Amidst for unbounded enthusiasm, our hearts resonate with profound gratitude that I stand before you on this momentous occasion, the annual day celebration of Divyajyoti Convent School. Today we gather here not just as a school community but as a family that has grown and thrived together over the course of the academic year. At this auspicious juncture, our souls overflow with gratitude towards God the Almighty for the abundant blessings that have graced our journey.
In the resplendent glow of luminous gala, our grand showcase of talent and spirit, we extend a heartfelt welcome to the chief guest of the function, Right Reverend Dr. Varghese Thotamkara CM, Bishop Diocese of Balashore, to this mesmerizing eve. This luminous gathering, embellished by the radiance of your presence, embodies the epitome of our collective fervor for knowledge, creativity and unity. Welcome to our midst, Your Grace.
I am honored to extend a warm welcome to the President for School, Reverend Mother Ruti, whose visionary leadership has been instrumental in steering our institution towards excellence. We are grateful for your unwavering commitment and dedication. A cordial welcome, Mother.
With immense joy, welcome the guest of honor, Sri Tapan Kumar Pradhan, IIC Baisinga. Your presence here adds great significance to our celebration, and we look forward to gaining insights from its wealth of experience and wisdom. Your esteemed presence enhances the splendor of the celestial spectacle. Hearty welcome, sir.
We are so happy and delighted to welcome Reverend Fathers, Sisters, Principals and Teachers who have taken the time and joined us today. A jovial welcome to all.
great pride in our hearts, welcome our beloved parents. Your constant support and encouragement are the pillars that uphold the success of our students. Your presence signifies the strong bond between home and school, and we are delighted to share this moment with you.
Our dedicated and tireless teachers, the backbone of our institution, deserve a special mention. Your passion for education and commitment to nurturing young minds is truly commendable. Welcome, dear teachers.
Last but certainly not least, to the luminous stars of the evening, our students. Your hard work, enthusiasm and creativity have illuminated our school throughout the year. Today is a celebration of your achievements, and we take pride in the remarkable individuals you are becoming. Welcome, friends.
As we embark on this journey of celebration, let us reflect on the achievements and challenges that have shaped us. May this annual day serve as a reminder of the collective efforts and achievements that define Dibati Convent School.
Once again, a heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Let the festivities begin, and may this evening be a memorable one for us all.
Welcome to the Grand Luminous Gala. Thank you.
Nursery come before you with your tiny toes and glittering fingers. Please put your hands together for them. Thank you. It's a celebration of unity in diversity. Let the stage be adorned with the colors of rainbow dance. Please join me in welcoming our amazing kids of LKG class. Ladies and gentlemen, let the magic unfold before your eyes. Thank you.
magic touch surrounds me with your power. Locked up in your power.
Everyone, I hope all of you enjoyed the kids' dance. Now get ready to witness our UKG stars shining bright as they dance Dadaji Ki Chhadi Hu Main. This performance is dedicated to all our loving grandparents. Let's watch. Thank you.
अरे देखो देखो क्या क्या करतब दिखलाती है, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी बन जाती है। हाँ, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं, 16-17 साल की छड़ी है बड़ी कमाल की, पास अगर कोई दुश्मन आए, छड़ी मार कर उसे भगाए। उम्र तो एक दिन ढल जाती, छड़ी बुढ़ापे की साथी, उम्र तो एक दिन ढल जाती, छड़ी बुढ़ापे की साथी, छड़ी कहीं जो टूट गई, समझो किस्मत रूठ गई, छड़ी कहीं जो टूट गई, समझो किस्मत रूठ गई, 2 सांसों की कड़ी हूँ मैं, कड़ी हूँ मैं, हे दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं, रे दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, अरे मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं।
दादा दादी का साथ हमारे लिए अनमोल है, हमें अपन उनका सम्मान करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम उनके साथ नहीं होते तो हमारा जीवन अधूरा होता। हम उनके साथ होकर बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं।
We are gathered here for a celebration of achievements, talents and spirit of our school. To guide us through the journey of past year to present the highlight, we are honored to have with us our visionary leader, the captain of our ship, the dynamic principal of Divya Jyoti Convent School, Sister Shiny V. Joseph. So please join with me in welcoming her with a round of applause. Sister, please.
Welcome to all present here. It brings me immense joy to stand before you on this auspicious day as we celebrate the Luminous Gala 2023. Before the panoramic, vibrant and vivacious cultural pageant begins, I must from the bottom of my heart thank the distinguished guests, the management, our benefactors, respected parents, civil authorities and the media personals for complying with our request and standing by us. Thank you for your unrelenting conviction and faith you bestowed on us. Divya Jyoti Convent School, situated in the picturesque campus of Sarbana village, has been a beacon of education and character building since its establishment in 2012. From a modest beginning with 33 students, today we have a strength of 443 glittering stars. Our journey has been one of growth, not just in numbers, but in the quality of education and overall development that we offer. The credit goes to our competent and dedicated teachers who work tirelessly to shape the future of our students. Additionally, the fantastic facilities provided at our school contribute significantly in creating an environment conducive to learning. As we move forward, I am confident that Divyajyoti Convent School will continue to be a nurturing ground for intellect, creativity, and character. The Luminous Gala 2023 is a testament to the talent and potential that resides within our school walls. On this joyful occasion, I am happy to announce that Divyajyoti Convent School has completed all the parameters to affiliate the school to senior secondary from the CBSE board. Without further delay, allow me to yield the spotlight to our four exceptional torchbearers of our ethos. Yashraj, Aradhya Jana, Shreyash Mohandi, and Aditi Behra shall eloquently articulate the multifaceted tapestry of our school life, embodying the quintessence of Divyajyoti Convent School's spirit. Please let us welcome each one of them as they regale us with their insights and experiences. Thank you.
We truly feel honored. Aradhya, can you detail the school's facilities?
Of course, Yashraj. Our facilities include a well-stocked library, a modern computer lab, specialized labs for scientific exploration, a playground, music room, and children's park, all contributing to a holistic environment.
Now, let me turn to next person. Shreyas, how does the morning assembly benefit students?
The morning assembly cultivates gratitude, positivity, and mindfulness through discussions on contemporary topics.
Now, let me turn to you. Aditi, let us know what academic achievement stand out.
Celebrating academic excellence, our fourth batch of CBSE Class 10, 27 students showcased brilliance with an exceptional 100% pass rate. Notably, Aman Kumar Nayak secured the top spot with a remarkable score of 95% with 5 other students achieving scores of 90% and above.
Oh, that's great. Can you elaborate on the school's achievement in inter-school sports?
Our school sports team have consistently demonstrated exceptional skills. They emerged as national champions in Kho-Kho at Uttar Pradesh, secured gold medals in diverse competitions such as Taekwondo, Wushu, and performed excellently at the Bishop Simon Memorial CBSE Inter-School Meet, where our students bagged the overall Champions Trophy.
Shreyas, please give a short note. How do the various clubs contribute to the students' development?
The diverse clubs play a vital role in our students' holistic development. The Nature Club fosters environmental awareness. The Sports Club emphasizes physical fitness and teamwork. The Literary Club nurtures creativity, and the Safety Club imparts essential life skills, collectively contributing significantly to our students' development.
Can you share insights into the science exhibition held at the school?
The Science Fest highlighted innovative student projects displaying a passion for scientific exploration. It was inaugurated by the BEO, Mr. Ramakanta Mahanta, and witnessed by respected sisters, officials from Government Education Department, college professors, and our loved parents.
How has the school reinforced holistic education?
Through initiatives like parents' orientation, teachers' seminar for pedagogical enhancement, and students' workshop for practical skills.
Can you elaborate on the school's participations in inter-school CCA competitions?
Our involvement in the North Odisha Sahodaya inter-school CCA competitions was truly remarkable. Our students showcased exceptional talents across diverse categories such as storytelling, drawing, speech, debate, quiz and more. It was a platform where their skills and abilities garnered accolades, highlighting the breadth of their talents.
What significant experiences have the educational tours offered to the students? Could you share, please?
The educational tours have been pivotal in broadening our students' horizons. Exploring Kolkata and Visakhapatnam Araku Valley provided invaluable practical learning experiences. These tours enriched their understanding of history, culture, and diverse landscapes, fostering a deeper appreciation for the world around them.
Well, Aditi, how did the school commemorate the 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav?
We celebrated this historic milestone through a vibrant road rally culminating in an event at Ratnoti Market. Our students showcased their patriotism through cultural performances, infusing the celebration with fervor and pride for our nation's freedom struggle.
Aradhya, could you share insights into the annual sports events and other celebrations?
The annual sports event was a testament to athleticism, teamwork and discipline, graced by the esteemed presence of Mother Riti, our school manager. Moreover, various celebrations including Republic Day, Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Christmas, Yoga Day and Environment Day were observed zealously, fostering a culture of learning and community spirit within the school.
That's great. What role do the four houses play in the school's environment?
Our school's vibrant spirit is embodied by the four houses: St. Mary, St. Joseph, St. Thomas and St. Alphonsa. These four houses not only foster healthy competition but also instill a sense of belonging and school pride among the students, promoting camaraderie and unity.
Can you describe the various events and initiatives undertaken at the school?
Special activity classes on Saturdays encompass diverse areas including instrumental and vocal music, modern dance, yoga, self-defense and art and craft. Initiatives like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, vocational skill training, field experiences and engagements with differently able children exemplify our commitment to holistic education, nurturing well-rounded individuals.
How does the school prioritize the safety measures for its students?
Good question, Ishraj. Ensuring the safety of our students is paramount. We diligently monitor our campus through CCTV cameras and maintain compliance with buildings and fire safety regulations. Regular mock drills conducted in collaboration with the local authorities prepare us for unforeseen events, ensuring a secure environment for our students and staff.
नाचो धनादन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे है सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनादन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो उतरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो जश्न का फुल नाच जम के पूरा फ्लोर खिल जाए बात न आए शोर मचाए पार्टी जो न करे उसको टाटा पाए मची है चू तोड़ के रू करे वो स्टेप के गिर लोग ताए पाए नींद बिल्कुल जश्न का फुल नाच जम के पूरा फ्लोर खिल जाए बात न आए शोर मचाए पार्टी जो न करे उसको टाटा पाए शादी न फंक्शन आ जाओ बंटन आओ जहाज में या भर के ट्रक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो तेरे फलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से
All. I, Rajnandini, request you all to brace yourself for a mesmerizing performance that about to unfold. That is Peacock Dance. As the vibrant colors and graceful movements unfold with rhythmic music, I wish let the feathers fly and the magic of the Peacock Dance commence. Please join me in welcoming our performers with a huge round of applause. Thank you. Good evening to all. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready for a trip down memory lane? Now let's talk about our next segment. Picture this: flashing lights, funky beats, and the iconic dance move that define an era. What are we talking about? Oh, Divya, we are talking about retro dance marathon. It's time to dust off those disco shoes and get ready to boogie. But wait, Pratyush, what exactly is a retro? Great question. A retro is just not a dance. It's journey through time. Fabulous dances from the 60s. And the best part, it's all about dance extravaganza. So get ready to groove your way into the history book. Here we present Retro Dance Marathon. Thank you.
हसीना जुल्फों वाले जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान। ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाले जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान। महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ। महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ।
वो अनजाना ढूंढती हूँ, वो दीवाना ढूंढती हूँ, जला कर जो छिप गया है वो परवाना ढूंढती हूँ। गर्म है तेज है ये निगाहें मेरी,
काम आ जाएंगी सर्द आए मेरी।
तुम किसी राह में तो मिलोगे कहीं।
अरे इश्क हूँ मैं कहीं ठहरना ही नहीं।
मैं भी हूँ गलियों की परछाई, कभी यहाँ कभी वहाँ। शाम ही से कुछ हो जाता है मेरा भी जादू जवां।
ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान। महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ। महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। हाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले 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 ओ ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले ओडले ओ। चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। अरे चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले ओडले ओ ओडले 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 ओ ओडले ओडले ओ।
My name is Lakhan, my name is Lakhan, सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन। ए जी ओ जी लो जी सुनो जी, मैं हूँ मन मौजी, करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी। 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1, my name is Lakhan, my name is Lakhan, सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन। दुनिया चकोरी, दुनिया चकोरी है, पैसा है चंदा, पैसा है चंदा, सूली पे लटका हर एक बंदा, सबके गले में, सबके गले में है माया का फंदा, माया का फंदा। सीखो ओ यारो इनसे ये धंधा, इनसे ये धंधा। तुम अपनी खाली जेब भरो जी, करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी। 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1, my name is Lakhan, my name is Lakhan, सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन।
पीछे पीछे आजा यारा, let's start वे। सर को घुमा ले राउंड, पैर जरा अप डाउन, इतनी सी ये बात वे। वो बंदा ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए, हाथों में तू हाथ थाम ले। ओए डांस पे डांस मार ले, ओ सोने डांस पे डांस मार ले, ओ बलिया डांस पे डांस मार ले, ओ सोने डांस पे डांस मार ले।
आसमान को लूटेंगे, चल धुआं उड़ा के झूम 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 बना